Grab your sunglasses and sunscreen. We're heading to the boardwalk. On the Boardwalk is the latest VBS theme from Cokesbury, and we are so excited to tell you all about it. Hi VBS Directors, I'm Lauren from Concordia Supply, and welcome to our first look at VBS 2027 series. In this video, we are covering the latest VBS theme released by Cokesbury, titled On the Boardwalk. This VBS invites kids to step onto the pier and discover that loving others is exactly what Jesus has called them to do. Let's take a deeper dive into this theme together. First, the setting. This theme transports kids to a fun and lively boardwalk setting, decorated with vendors, yummy food, thrilling rides, and a whole lot of seagulls. But what makes this VBS so special is not its unique theme, but the message it teaches kids. Cokesbury creates their VBS year after year to introduce a child to a deeper relationship with God through Jesus Christ, and On the Boardwalk is no different. The tagline, "Where Friendship Starts with Jesus," teaches kids 5 stories highlighting Jesus' love. By exploring Jesus' love with the people around him, kids will learn how loving others is exactly what Jesus had in mind for them to do. VBS Directors will love On the Boardwalk because it is a VBS that brings fun summer energy to church while anchoring kids in deep faith lessons with a central message from 1 John 4:7, which says, "Dear friends, let's love each other because love is from God." Now is the time to secure your kit at concordiasupply.com/VBS and unlock a free gift from our VBS 2027 collection. This offer is only available for a limited time, so grab your new VBS gift while you can. For more insights, ideas, and every resource that you need for VBS, visit us at concordiasupply.com/VBS or chat with one of our experts at 1-800-521-0751. We are here and ready to help you plan your best VBS from start to finish.